हाय गाइस, आई एम प्रेम एंड यू आर वाचिंग डेटा मार्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैंने एक महीने से वीडियो नहीं डाली है तो उसके लिए माफ़ी। एक्चुअली आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय सिस्टम टू अराइव। नाउ दैट इट हैज़ केम, आई विल बी पोस्टिंग रेगुलर वीडियोस। सो इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, you know what to do. And I'll be making a playlist on Python to learn it from scratch to advanced topic. We will see up and running with Python, how to work with different data types, how to work with conditions, loops, iterations, how to create functions, importing modules, and working with standard library. Basically everything you want to know in order to have a firm understanding on Python. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको एक टिप देना चाहूँगी, जो कि गलती मैंने बहुत की है। जब भी आप एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज लर्न करते हो, तो स्टिक टू वन रिसोर्स, बिकॉज अगर अलग अलग लोगों से आप सीखोगे तो इट जस्ट क्रिएट कन्फ्यूजन एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू लर्न एफिशिएंटली. So stick to one resource, practice, don't just concentrate on theoretical, do practical, do projects and you will be able to learn more efficiently and effectively. तो शुरू करते हैं, चलते हैं अपनी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में. So we are in our computer screen and first we need to install the Python, and to check whether our system has installed Python already or not, go to Windows button and just type cmd to open command prompt and type the command python dash version. और यहाँ कह रहा है Python is not recognized. That means the Python is not installed in the system. The next thing you want to do is install it. So in order to install it, go to Google and open the website called python.org. You can also type in Google Python and open the first website. This will pop up and go to downloads, and this automatically detects you are using Windows. So download the latest version if you are learning Python, and unless and until you have a very good reason to install the previous version, then only install it. Otherwise go for the latest one. So in order to save time, I have already installed it, so let's install it. And make sure this option is tick add path, otherwise you need to go to advanced setting and set the path, and we will install it and wait for it. So the setup is successful. Let's close this tab. Let's close this also, and let's check whether the Python is installed properly or not. In order to check, again open command prompt and type the same command, python dash version. और यहाँ कह रहा है 3.8.5. that's the latest version. we installed it on it. ठीक है, तो as you install it, you can see in the Python folder here, you can see this idle, that I'll come back later. Okay, so in order to use the Python, just write the Python command, and this will open an interactive prompt, and this is Python 3.8.5, where you can execute single line codes. For example, let's just write print hello world, and this gives the output hello world. We can also assign variables. X is equal to 10, and let's print it. Print statement, print function, print x, that says 10. Okay, so this is single line where we can only execute single line codes, and in order to execute full script, you need a plain text editor, and you can choose any one. Some of the popular text editors are Sublime Text, Atom. You can also use the full-blown IDEs like PyCharm, that is very popular. And when we install Python, that came with a text editor known as idle, which I just showed you, which was here in the Python folder. We will just open it, and this comes up. Okay, so this is a single line where we can only implement single line. We can say this by seeing these three arrows. If these three arrows are present, then we can only execute single line. In order to execute the whole script, just go to files and new file. It will open a dialog box. where we can write our code. Let's just write print hello world with single or double quotes, whichever you like, and save it. डेस्कटॉप पे सेव कर लेते हैं विद द नेम फर्स्ट. ठीक है, लेट्स सी, it says hello world. So you can use any other text editor, Sublime Text or Atom. I'll be using text editor. और एक बात बता दूं, यहाँ पे मैं कमेंट भी लिखता हूँ, तो what are comments I'll tell you. They just start with a pound sign and you can write like a message which you can read afterwards. Only the programmers will know, like printing welcome message and save it and run it, and as you can see there is no change in the output hello world. Only we can see those comments. So I'll be using this comments in order to better understanding. So in this video we saw the installation of Python and our first program, how we executed it in idle, and let's just execute in Sublime Text also. I'll just open, and if you want me to make a separate video how to install and set up Sublime Text, just open file for the py, which was already open. That was no need, just to show you all guys. So let's just run it. Go to tools, go to build, and this shows hello world. ठीक है, तो in this video we saw the installation of Python and we executed our first code, and in the next video we will see different types of data types. So let's see, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में.